Hi everyone, I'm Pauline Gordon, a Partnership and Engagement Manager at GCVS. In April 2024, some of our networks came together to hear from the Policy and Engagement team at GCVS, and you gave feedback on future meetings and communications. We spoke about our team redesign and our whole system approach. I'd like to thank all of those that came to that network meeting who participated in the discussions and shared ideas. Common themes from our discussions that day were the importance of fair work, ethical commissioning and procurement, and fair and sustainable funding for the third sector.
I'm Leah and I'm a Development Officer on the Policy and Engagement team. We created a record of what you shared with us. There were clear asks for us as a team to share information about the strategies that we are involved in and share the outcomes with the sector, to carry out a mapping exercise of strategic groups, to keep you up to date with upcoming opportunities, particularly around funding and training, to ensure local community groups are connected and informed, to create opportunities to connect across networks and hear from one another, and improve information sharing and communication in general.
You told us that events and those vital connections across the sector are important to you, and you shared what you want from future events that we organise. This included having policy and decision makers in the space, holding a neutral space, supporting the formation of collaborations and partnerships across the sector, having specific themed events to share knowledge and practice, creating training opportunities with a particular focus on co-design and the Scottish approach to service design. And you also told us that you want to link with other third sector interfaces in Scotland to share knowledge and experiences in areas like local policy implementation and funding arrangements for the sector.
We've heard your asks and we are going to communicate in between network meetings with email updates and social media, finish our mapping of strategic networks and groups, connect with partners across various strategic groups, make time at network meetings for sharing and connecting, shape events around what you've said you'd like to know more about, for example, fair work, ethical commissioning, and the health and wellbeing survey. We're going to open our events to our wider policy and engagement network and identify who are the decision makers and invite them along to the relevant spaces.
Our next network meeting will be on the art of the possible, innovation in commissioning and procurement. Please join us at this in-person event on Wednesday the 20th of November with refreshments and networking from 1:30. There are lots of ways to get involved. Drop us an email at policy.engagement@gcvs.org.uk. Keep an eye on our events calendar and sign up for the GCVS e-bulletin to be informed of events and opportunities. And visit our list of third sector networks.